In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Korean Air. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the language option, how to set your preferred country or region, and how to apply the changes so the site displays in the language you want. First, open the official Korean Air website in your browser and make sure you're on the main homepage. Once the site loads, shift your attention to the top right area of the page. That's where Korean Air places its site settings. You're looking for a small flag icon, which represents the language and region selector. It can be subtle, so take a second to scan that corner of the header. When you see the flag icon, click it to open the language and region panel. This brings up a simple settings window where you can adjust two key things, your country or region, and the display language. These two fields work together to tailor the site. The region typically influences items like currency, local promotions, and contact details, while the language controls how the content itself is displayed. Start with the country or region field. Click the drop-down and scroll the list to find the location that best matches where you'll be booking or traveling from. Choose the region that makes the most sense for your needs. Picking the correct region helps ensure prices and notices are shown in a way that's relevant to you. Next, move to the language field. Click the language drop-down and review the available options. Select the language you're most comfortable with for browsing, searching flights, and managing your reservations. If multiple languages are available for your chosen region, pick the one you prefer for clarity and ease of use. After you've set both the region and the language, look for the Apply button at the bottom of the panel. Click Apply to save your choices. The page will refresh, and you should immediately see the interface update to reflect your selections. Headers, menus, and key content should now display in your chosen language, and region-specific details should align with the country or region you selected. If the change doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to reload fully, then navigate to another section of the site to confirm everything is consistent. Your preferences are typically remembered, so you won't have to redo this each visit on the same device and browser. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the language on Korean Air by opening the flag icon at the top right, selecting your country or region, choosing your preferred language, and clicking Apply. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing in the language that works best for you.